Okay everyone, so the first line of the song goes like this. Right, we will break it down into few parts. First part will be so give a stroke on 7th fret of first string, slide up to 5, 5 and slide down to 7, 7 and pull it off on 5, 7 and slide down to 10, slide back to 7, slide back to 5, slide down to 7, another stroke on 7. So the playing for this line is right. If you are a beginner, it might be a little difficult for you to play this, but I'll tell you to practice it so that you become a better guitarist and you play the melody right. So we saw the first part. Next part will be same taps, right? So you have to play this line twice. I hope it is clear till now. After that, the next part will be right. So we ended on 7th fret of first string. After that, just slide up to 3, then 4 strokes on 5th fret of second string, then give a stroke on 3rd fret of first string and hammer on 5, another stroke on 5, another stroke on 5, then 2 pull offs on 7 to 5 like this. Again play 4 strokes on 2nd fret of 5th string, then give a stroke on 3rd fret of 1st string and hammer on 5, another stroke on 5. It is not as complicated as it looks, but if you have any doubts you can always refer the written types. Link is in description box down below. So what we played for this part is now you have to repeat this whole part. So just play it together very slow one more time. Right, I hope you got that. Moving forward, next part is right. So 3 strokes on 10th fret of second string, stroke on 9th fret of third, another stroke, then a stroke on 10th fret of second string, stroke on 8 and slide down to 10, 2 strokes on 8, in fact 3 strokes, then a stroke on 10th fret and slide down to 12, another stroke on 12, 10, 2 strokes on 8. So what I'm playing for this line is now the next line goes like this. Right, so again 3 strokes on 8th fret of second string, then 3 strokes on 9th fret of third string, 10 of second, 8 and slide down to 10, 10 and hammer on pull off on 12, 10 and slide up to 8, 8, 10, slide down to 13, 12, 10, 2 strokes on 8. Okay, so what I'm playing for this line is Right, I hope you got that. Now you have to repeat the first line again. Right, then again repeat the second line. Till here. This is the addition. Right, so when we play it for the first time, we played it like this. Right, we played it like this. Now when we play it for the second time, the first line is exactly the same. Now the second line. Till here it is exactly the same. Then again give a stroke on 8th fret of second string, slide up to 5, another stroke on 5 and slide back to 8. So this is where the first stanza ends. Now let's move forward to the next stanza. Okay, so the next stanza goes like this. Right, so it starts on 12th fret of second string, 10 of first, 15, 14, 12 and hammer on pull on 14, like this. Then without giving a stroke, slide up to 10, 8 and 7, like this. Then 8, 12, 2 strokes on 10. What I'm playing for this line is right. Now next line goes like this. The tabs are pretty much similar, only there is a slight difference. So it again starts on 12th fret of second string, 10 of first, 15, 14, 12 and hammer below on 14, 10, again 12 of second, 13, 12 of first, 2 strokes on 10. What I'm playing for the second line is right. I hope you got that. What I'm playing for this line is actually you have to repeat both these parts one more time. So let's play it together just one more time. Right, I hope you got that. Now the next part goes like this. So give us 1 10 fret of first string, 2 strokes, 12, 10, 8, 2 strokes on 7 and slide up to 5, like this. You have to play this line one more time. Okay, now the third line. So again give 2 strokes on 10th fret of first string, 12, 10, 8, 2 strokes on 7 and slide up to 5, 8, 2 strokes on 7 and slide up to 5. Okay, so what we are playing for this line is right. Let's play all 3 lines together just one more time. Right, I hope you got that. After that again you have to continue with right? So yeah guys, I guess that's it for the tutorial of the song to Yaar Mera from the Pati Patni. For any doubts, request join us on Instagram. My Insta ID is right over here. And for any doubts related to the return types, the link will be in the description box down below. So make sure to check that out as well. And yeah guys, I guess that's it for this video. Thank you. Thanks for watching.